Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a granny square. I've made this in two different patterns. One is with the white border and one is with the color border. For this we need two different color yarn, crochet hook 4 mm, pair of scissors and a yarn needle. So let's get started. To begin with the granny square, you need to start with the slip knot. And chain 3. You need to slip stitch in the first chain. Now once you've done that, you need to chain 3. Now you need to double crochet in the center of the circle. After that, you need to chain 2. Now we need to make 2 double crochets together. So that is, you need to make half of a double crochet, another half of a double crochet, and then you need to pull the loop through all 3. Now once you've done that, chain 3. You need to make 2 double crochets again together. So one half, another half, pull through all 3. After this, you need to chain 2. You need to work 2 double crochets together again. And after that, chain 3. Now we've made 4 clusters and we count them as 1 petal with chain 2 in between. You need to make 2 more of these and I'll meet you back when I get to this point. Now I'm finishing this with my last chain 3 and then we need to slip stitch in our first double crochet. So what we've done here is we kind of have like 4 petals. In between 2 sets of double crochets we have chain 2 and in the corners we have chain 3. Now we need to make another slip stitch into this chain, that is our chain 2, and now we work in our chain 3. So we need to make 1 double crochet, another double crochet, then we need to make 3 triple crochets. So that's yarn over twice, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 3. Another triple crochet, and now we make the third one. After this, we need to make 2 double double crochets. So that's 1, and that's 2. And now we slip stitch into the next chain. Now we need to repeat this in our next chain. So you start with 1 double crochet, another double crochet, 3 triple crochets, 1, 2, and 3, 2 more double crochets, that's 1 and 2, and after this we need to slip stitch in our next chain. We need to continue this pattern in the next 2 chains that we have here. I'll be doing that and I'll meet you at the end of this. After you finish the last double crochet, you need to slip stitch in the first slip stitch that we started with. Now once you've done that, you cut off your yarn, and now we join our second color. Now to join the second color, you make a slip stitch, and you need to start joining it in any of the corners. Now the second row we will be working only in the back loops of our stitch. So you join it through this one. You chain 3. You need to make 1 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2. Now that is how you work a corner. In the next 3 stitches, you make 1 double crochet in each stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. In the center stitch, you need to work 1 triple crochet. Now 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Now again we reach our corner stitch, so we need to repeat this process, that is 2 double crochets, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Now we continue with 1 double crochet in each stitch for the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. In the center stitch, we need to work 1 triple crochet, and continue with 3 double crochets in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Now we've reached another corner again. You need to continue with the same pattern till you get to this stitch. I will meet you when I get there. I've completed my last double crochet. Now you need to slip stitch in the first chain 3 that we had started with. Now this is the point where you cut the yarn and join another color to make this pattern. But I'm continuing with the same color. So you need to make another slip stitch and one more slip stitch till you reach your corner. Now you chain 2. You make 1 half double crochet, chain 2 again, and 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. That is your corner. Now you need to make half double crochets in all the stitches till you reach your next corner. Now in the corner, one more time, you need to make half double crochet, another half double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more half double crochets. So the pattern here is, in each corner you do 2 half double crochets, chain 2 and 2 half double crochets, and you continue with half double crochets all the way till you reach the next corner. I'm going to complete this square and I'll meet you once I reach here. I've reached to the end of my row. Now I'm going to make the last double crochet, and after I've done that, you need to slip stitch in our first chain 2, and then we can cut off the yarn. Now all we need to do is take the left over yarn and end it neatly. We're done with our square. If you wish to change the color, you need to change the color in the corners, and then you would get this edging. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you've learned something, please like and subscribe. Thank you.